something.
Something.
Yeah, yeah.
Actively promote and market yourself when it's not
a website flowchart kit. They told me this themselves. It was the only flowchart product on the whole marketplace. So it was included in one of their newsletters. They have a new product newsletter, and whenever we launch a product, we probably go ask them if it can be included in the newsletter, which is a good advice to any entrepreneur. You're not going to get something unless you ask for it. So, you know, an extra email, hey, what I do personally. I will say, and it grows pretty quickly. You know, once you are talking thousands of customers, you're talking, you know, dozens of emails, you know, a week, even just asking for things, and then that grows. So even selling digital products, while there's a little less overhead in time and cost, you are running a business, so it's not.
And then maybe just close the
I see you got kill with that shit. Quiet on the set. Police on our neck. Your head like that up. Spiritual war. Yeah, it's a spiritual war. It's an actual, factual, supernatural.
Oh, it got stuck.